name is Professor Ken O'Byrne. I'm a medical oncologist. We're trying to work out in individual patients what the best treatments might be. We're also trying to work out, what's the tumour doing that allows it to survive and stay alive despite the treatments we give. What we have in the TRI, which is a facility I now work with linked to the hospital, is we have a fantastic facility, lovely place to work, which is really important. You feel good about coming here. But much more importantly for me is that the basic science here is very strong. Oh, it's fantastic. I mean, there's no doubt about it. There's a great energy here now, a lot more interaction, I suspect, between scientists and clinicians. But the biggest change is the whole mindset has changed from the scientists just to thinking about how they can apply what they're learning to the development of new drugs or diagnostics, and that is a massive change.
Early 2013, I had some issues. I was sent for a CT scan. In that CT scan, they identified a lung cancer which had metastasized and gone to my brain. So I had a brain tumor and lung cancer. I've benefited a lot from this research establishment associated to the hospital. I've got probably a much better chance having been looked after from here.
To come to TRI and to interact with the clinicians and everybody else has been great. And we'll continue to do that until they say, we don't need you anymore. What he's doing, we're more than happy to, because it has saved Mike's life. I'm definitely looking forward to the future.
My name's Matt Brown. I'm the Director of Genomics at Queensland University of Technology, and I lead a translational research group in genomics at TRI. In the arthritis area, we work on a disease called ankylosing spondylitis. In that disease, we've been responsible for identifying all bar one of the known 116 genes that have been associated with the disease so far. Collaboration is hugely important both within the building and outside the building. We have real strength in cancer, immunology, microbiome research, and a few other different areas. The TRI building is quite unique in being really major modern research facility based on the same site as a hospital. It means that it's actually a pleasure for people to come and work here, and it's never hard to recruit people here when you're bringing new people to the building.